is a bitterly cold Monday morning. Temperature in Lima at 9 degrees, and the rest of us not doing much better. We see 9 in Upper Sandusky, 15 in Van Wert, 13 Salina, 13 Bluffton, 12 in Findlay. We had one school delay this morning. Fort Loramie schools are delayed 2 hours. We did see some snow showers and snow squalls for some of us yesterday evening, so you might wake up to a very light dusting on your car this morning, but we're not seeing any more snow falling right now. We are looking at least calm winds, so that's the saving grace. The temperatures are very cold, but the wind is very light this morning at 3 miles per hour in Wapakoneta, as well as Lima. You can see calm winds this morning, Defiance, and as we look at Ottawa and Findlay. So that's the good news. All right, so it is Valentine's Day, looking at various love-themed cities around the nation today. Valentine, Nebraska, looking good at 47. We have very cold weather in Heart Lake, Pennsylvania at 16 degrees. Looks like we have to go down to Mississippi, Missouri, or Texas to find some really good weather today with lots of sunshine. 68 in Flowers, Mississippi, and we have 70 in Love, Texas today. Boy, doesn't that sound nice. If we take a look at your forecast as far as temperatures, they are really going to be on a roller coaster ride this week. We see that Arctic air holding firm for us today. So today it's going to be very cold. Keep the heavy coat around. We're only expecting highs in the lower to mid 20s as we head into this afternoon. But you see that warmer air down to the south, and that's going to slowly move north as we go throughout the coming days. We fall to the teens again for tonight. Looking at your forecast tomorrow, this is where we start to see some improvements. Tomorrow we actually see temperatures warm well into the 30s, and we will be looking at plenty of sunshine as well on Tuesday. And look at Wednesday, it gets even warmer. We're in the 50s. Looking at temperatures here by 5 p.m. Wednesday, same United Pleasant, 54 degrees here in Lima. But then as we go into Thursday, we start to see some changes once again. The warm air comes in. By Thursday, we see a very cold air mass come back in across the northern plains. A very strong cold front here. Here's a look at 9 a.m. Thursday. 50s here, 20s in Chicago. And along this temperature divide, we're going to see a lot of moisture spread in from southwest to northeast. So let's take a look at the system that we are tracking this week. Today, at least we are looking at dry conditions outside of a stray flurry or two. And really overall, the first half of this week will be dry. We're looking at clearing skies for tonight and some sunshine around for your day on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we see the warm up really commence here. The winds are going to pick up as well. We can see wind gusts over 35 miles per hour by Wednesday afternoon, as clouds will be increasing as well. We do see by Wednesday afternoon some showers around Detroit, Chicago, down towards parts of Missouri. And we're watching this cold front. It's going to bring widespread moisture our way Wednesday night into Thursday. We're talking about potentially some heavy rainfall. And then by Thursday afternoon, we do see that colder air work in. On the back edge of this moisture, you see that snow, you see the pink, which is some freezing rain and sleet. As we go into Thursday, we see that line progress south and east. So Thursday, we start the day with rain, but just know there is the potential by Thursday afternoon for some hazardous travel. We could see those temperatures fall below freezing with a period of snow before this all comes to an end by Thursday night. There's still some differences, though, in the models, because here's another model for you. And you can see this model shows much more in the way of rain. It keeps that snow line further north, which would mean minimal amounts of snow or ice with this system. So there are question marks in the forecast. So just stay tuned over the coming days. We will be fine-tuning that part of the forecast. And one thing for sure, we're going to see quite the wild ride in temperatures this week, going from the 20s today to the 50s on Wednesday. And then Thursday, we see that big drop in temperatures. And then by Friday, we're back in the 20s. But don't worry, looks like next Monday, we're back in the 50s once again.
I think people are going to enjoy the 50s when they get here.
Oh,
so.
Absolutely. I should have put a big roller coaster icon in that forecast.
Yeah, really, exactly. All right, thanks, Nathan.